Zach and I.
What do you mean, Zach?
No, Zach and I.
What? Zach being good?
Sure.
I saw a lake. Really?
The dry one.
It's a swamp.
It's a swamp, is it?
Dad, I saw something like this.
Ah, what are you doing, girls? Zach, move your head, I can't see him. Okay, pull your heads in. Don't do that again. That'd be weirdies.
There's a crack.
Yeah, it's an extra screen on my screen, so it's okay.
What?
I said flibbity bibbity. Giggity giggity.
Dad, have you watched Peter Griffin?
Sorry?
Have you watched The Family Guy?
I have seen it before, yes.
We don't want to record your mouth. That's a fake cow.
Don't have a cow, man.
Dad,
Oh look, train station.
Dad, look. Ay caramba. Ready?
What am I looking at?
There's a little ay caramba.
There's some water down there, is there?
Ay caramba. Ay caramba. It's time for me to die. Who's that? I got it. It's time for me to die. Eat my shorts. Dad, look, take out my tummy, okay?
Okay.
Eat my shorts.
I won't, I promise.
Don't do it again.
Stay still, you got something on your face.
I'm gonna do some more sprinkles, okay? Dusting.
Knock, knock.
Who's that?
Your leg!
That's me. Okay, dusting. Look and kiss. This is me, okay.
No, you probably bounce out the window. Oh, you just headbutt the GoPro, you bullhead.
Last name, hug and kiss.
I knew you'd bounce like a monkey.
Hey, hear this. Last name, hug and kiss. First name, I need someone to. Okay, I need someone to hug and kiss. That's for sprinkles.
You're a goof troop.
Well, all gifts are paid like this. No. They're all. Door.
Hey, no hitting.
Who's that? The door. Oh, no. Who's that? Who's that? Hey, who's that here? Dad! Who's... No.
You being good in here?
Scared the fuck out of me.
I beg your pardon. I got that on film, I'll show your grandma that. Sit down, you're not allowed to get up. Not while it's moving.
Knock, knock. Who's that? Windows. Right. Bang, 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 bang. Hey, Dad. Dad, look at me.
Don't sit on my phone, but you did.
First name.